Now the question is, explain the converse, inverse and contrapositive of the statement, if it is raining then the sky is grey. Also draw the truth table. Now just check it. We have already gone through the converse, inverse and contrapositive. Now the given statement is, if it is raining then the sky is grey. Okay. Now what two statements we can have? If it is raining and Q will be, then the sky is grey. Now very first thing is, that is converse. Now in the converse, what we will be having? Given P implies Q and in converse it will become Q implies P. Now what the statement will be? Now the statement will be if the sky is grey then it is rainy. Very first thing. Okay. Number 2, inverse. Now in the inverse part given P implies Q and the inverse, it becomes negation of P implies negation of Q. Okay. Now here the statement will become if it is not raining, negation of P, it is raining. So if it is not raining then the sky is not grey. Okay. Now the third part, contrapositive. Given P implies Q and contrapositive, becomes negation of Q implies negation of P. Okay. The what the statement will be now? Statement negation of Q now first. If the sky is not grey then it is not raining. So these are the three sentences. Okay. Converse, inverse and contrapositive. Now let us go for the truth table. Now conditional, converse. Now PQ, P implies Q, Q implies P. False and false. Now what the condition is? True, false, true, true. Now when taking Q, considering Q this and P this, and we have already gone through the, you can just go from the previous parts. So for the converse, now we will be having true, true, false and true. Okay. Now negation of P, negation of Q, sorry, let it be let us write first inverse and contrapositive. Now negation of P, negation of Q. Now inverse is negation of P implies negation of Q, and contrapositive is negation of Q implies negation of P. Okay. So now this becomes false and false, false and true, true and false, true and true. Okay. Now inverse part we are having true, true, false and true, and contrapositive we are having true, false, true, true. Okay. So this is the truth table. Now what interesting thing is there? You can just check it that conditional and contrapositive they are equal. You can just check it, conditional and contrapositive. This part is equal to this part. TFTT, TFTT. Okay. And converse and inverse they are equal. Converse and inverse, these are equal. So we can just write it, if you wish, that same. Okay. And same. So always remember this thing.